Hey guys, Ashley here. Today I've got the Sunseeker Fathead CXS tie rod assembly. So this tie rod here connects the right and left spindles together so that when you steer, both wheels move together, right and left. The tie rod itself is the middle bar here, and that's a steel bar, and it has threaded rod ends. So let's take a look at this. So each side of the tie rod has an 8mm threaded rod end. This part here, they're also called heim joints. And then you'll see here, this is a jam nut that locks it. So once you adjust the length, then you would lock this down. And so the other side, you can see also the same thing. This ball in the middle that pivots, that's what you would actually thread onto the spindle with a 8mm bolt. So the reason why this uses a right hand rod end and a left hand rod end is so that you can adjust the alignment of the right and left wheels by simply turning this tie rod shaft, turning it this way, and then you don't need to actually remove the rod ends to adjust the length. So as I said before, this is the tie rod assembly for the Sunseeker Fathead CXS, but it could also be used for DIY projects. So the main shaft here, from here to here inside of the jam nuts, is 550mm. So one thing that you'll want to be aware of is that if you use the Ackerman compensators that actually move the pivot point up onto the head tube versus down on the bottom of the suspension spindle, you will need a shorter tie rod. So we do have those available as well. And the EcoTad and the EasyTad also use that same shorter tie rod. So if you have any questions about the Sunseeker tie rod assembly or any other parts that are related to the steering components, let us know.